Hey, Con, I'm just responding to your post that's on the Naked Forex forum, and where you asked me. First of all, you said that I'm glad that you learned some extra points from those videos, and that's what I strive to do is give my students some extra pointers on how to maximize these various naked price action trades. Now, you asked me, do I only take it on a trend continuation? And I noticed that the trend was quite steep. Does that make any difference? And lastly, do you find the Acapulco works better on the 4-hour charts? Drawn zones drawn up to the daily. Now let me just answer your question quickly. The answer to that is no. I don't always trade off of the 4-hour charts. I am a master on the 4-hour charts as well as the daily and the weekly charts. If you're good with price action trading, you should be an expert on any of the time frames that you wish to trade off of. And here we have the Great Britain CAD for the daily section, and you can look and see here if you things that stand out very quickly on this particular chart. You have an Acapulco here, you have an Acapulco also here, and you ask, it's a trend. Yes, of course it's a trend. The Acapulco is a confirmation, a bounce off of a support and resistance line, and then a movement on the way back up. Stops are placed here, entry points are placed at this point, and then continue moving forward. A break of the support and resistance line, the next candle comes down, tests it, bounces off of it, retraces off of it, and then you move forward. So it doesn't really make a difference if you're trading off of the 1 hour, 4 hour, or daily charts. These trades are valid on any of those time frames, and of course weekly as well. So it's a good trade, and I trade them on all time frames. So yeah, it doesn't make a difference for me, and it is always it's in a trend. I mean, it's establishing a trend, moving up, confirmation, moving up, again confirmation, moving up. Here you have here a bit of a gap in the weekly part of it, but this is not a Acapulco trade, but you're in a trend, you're in a upward trend. So I hope that answers your questions. I'm going to try to start answering these questions based on videos and give you examples of the trades as well, so that other people may benefit as well. So with that said, I hope you have a magnificent day on purpose, and hope to hear from you soon.